In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change Facebook Messenger notification sound on your iPhone or Android device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook Messenger app, then hit Add menu icon. Tap at gear icon to open up settings, and then scroll down until you find notifications and sounds. Then you will be taken to this page where you can easily find text tone. You can just get into it, and that's where you can change your Facebook Messenger notification sound. You can choose any sound from that list. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.